me hear yours.
My
My game crashed.
No, it didn't. No, it did not.
I swear it crashed.
Damn it, dude. All right. God damn it.
Dude, I should have been standing.
Okay, I didn't realize you were
Oh, my game crashed.
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't. Hang on, let me call Mr. Treyarch.
I crashed!
Yeah.
So wait, Nick, you crashed?
I crashed, dude! What is this shit? What did you idiots do to me?
Kickoff was a squib, buddy.
It might have been. They probably wouldn't trust her enough to go for a tackle if she had to. Probably get trucked and then fingered.
Why are we not searching, Keelan? Orange?
Oh, we're waiting on who? Who are we waiting on?
My game crashed.
Oh, no.
Windowed full screen, baby. Windowed full screen.
Look up
I'm
here.
dying.
Alright, guys, I
Okay.
died. My game crashed.
Oh my god.
Hey, windowed is working great. No, I haven't crashed yet. Told you. I crashed. I just crashed right when you said
Oh
that.
my god.
Almost, guys. You guys almost won, but you guys didn't.
so fucking bad. You guys are so bad. I killed like 10 of my teammates. Holy shit, you guys are trash.
You're terrible, you're terrible, you're terrible. No way. There's no way.
Nick crashed.
What did I tell you? I was doing it on my computer, dude. What?
Yes, how did we win?
I'm walling.
Oh,
Dude, I really don't know how we won.
Failed to host lobby.
Who crashed? Chatwood crashed. I crashed just now. I'm getting off.
Oh yeah, it's
You okay?
oh my
I
god.
don't do it. Oh, my game crashed.
Join me. Karma.
For what?